if you're a corporate sustainability officer and you're curious about carbon removal, when you go online, what you're going to come up with are a bunch of sites that can help you buy carbon removal. You're going to see consultants and advisors and marketplaces that can help you buy. But what you're not going to see are other people that have actually gone out and done it, people that you can connect with. So when you go out and ask your friends who also work in sustainability, hey, have you done anything in carbon removal? What you're going to get back are a ton of no's. Because on average, most companies haven't taken action on carbon removal. There's only been a couple hundred worldwide that have even purchased some carbon removal. And so what that means is there are a lot of people out there, corporate sustainability leaders, that are curious and interested in carbon removal, but right now they're not finding a pathway to take any action. And what that means for all of us in the carbon removal community and on the planet is that corporate participation in carbon removal is going to grow pretty darn slowly. It's going to be only those people that really have the courage and the budgets to hire advisors and consultants and set aside the time to really get into carbon removal from a standing start. And what that means is carbon removal it's going to grow pretty slowly. The market's going to grow slowly. Investors are going to invest more slowly, and startups are going to have to move more slowly. They're not going to be able to raise the money they need and do the investments in their tech and their iterations, which means that we on this planet won't have the solutions to reverse climate change that we need. So imagine there was a way for these corporate sustainability officers and professionals to connect to each other, to connect to people that are already buying carbon removal and ask them questions that are relevant from that perspective. Yes, about the science, but also about, what does this do for my career? How do I talk to legal and procurement? What does the procurement team actually even care about? Imagine corporate sustainability leaders are able to take on the reins of carbon removal and lead it where it needs to get going. The next step for making this happen is during San Francisco Climate Week. It is the next big global climate event, and we're partnering on an event for corporate sustainability officers. And we're going to cover, there's going to be some of the science, but it's really going to be on stage. We've got Asana, Workday, and DocuSign, 3 software companies. And these are people from the companies who have figured out how to make those purchases happen. Some big purchases, some small purchases. Now look, if you're listening to this message, you're probably not a corporate sustainability officer. But if you work in carbon removal, having this event succeed is important for you because it's how we kick off the next wave of corporate purchasing, supporting this budding community to learn and grow and support each other to participate in carbon removal in the same way that founders and scientists, engineers have supported each other to get carbon removal where it is today. So if you want to be participating in having this event succeed or involved in some way, come join the next Rebel Alliance call. We're having our next meeting on Thursday at 1 p.m. Pacific time, and it is a chance for you to come in and help us make this event successful. Maybe that means reaching out to people. Maybe that means helping with marketing or advertising, but it's your way to contribute to having this next wave of carbon removal happen. And so I'll see you there, and I'll put the link below this video.